Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Leches French toast. Start by choosing thick, day-old brioche or challah and slice it about 1 inch thick. Whisk together evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, and whole milk with eggs, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Dip bread briefly so it absorbs but does not fall apart. Cook gently in butter until golden both sides, then soak with the Leches mixture. Measure and prep your ingredients so the process flows smoothly. Combine evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, and whole milk in a bowl, then whisk in eggs and vanilla until homogeneous. Add a pinch of cinnamon and salt to round the flavors. Melt butter in a skillet over medium-low heat while dipping bread to preserve structure. Prepare toppings like powdered sugar and berries to finish with bright contrast and fresh texture. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and keep recipes coming. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a clean, long-lasting scent in your car, which pairs well with taking a drive to pick up bakery bread for this recipe. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy that tip, please give a thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a skillet to medium-low and melt a generous knob of butter, watching closely to prevent burning. Dip each slice quickly so it soaks but stays intact, then transfer to the skillet and cook until a deep golden crust forms on each side. Arrange cooked slices on a baking dish, pour reserved leches slowly over them, and let rest for a few minutes to absorb. Serve warm with berries and a dusting of powdered sugar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.